Okay, I'm going to be showing you how to replace the timing belt on a 2003 WRX. The first step is to remove this black piece right here. Step 1, remove this bolt, and then pop this up and pull these off. These 3 black clips. Step 2 is to loosen the alternator bolt, which is right here under this with a 12mm. Doesn't need to be real loose, just loosen up. Step 3, loosen this bolt right here on the left side of the alternator. Loosen that about the same amount as this one over here, just to give it some free play. Step 4, this top bolt here. Just keep loosening that until the belt starts to get free. You can see the alternator dropping. I don't know if you can see the video, but it's getting much looser. Just keep doing that until you're allowed to, or you're able to pull the belt over the alternator's pulley. Okay, as you might be able to see here, I've pretty much went as far as I want to go with it, and I'm able to pull the belt or over the pulley, I think, yeah. And now you just unwrap the whole thing, and it should come right out. And there you go. And installation is the reverse of that.